Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is a system file. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What are system file? A system file in computers is a critical computer file without which a computer system may not operate correctly. These files may come as part of the operating system, a third-party device driver, or other sources. Microsoft Windows and MS-DOS mark their more valuable system files with a system attribute to protect them against accidental deletion. Although the system attribute can be manually put on any arbitrary file, these files do not become system files. Specific example of system files include the files with .sys file extension in MS-DOS. In Windows NT family, the system files are mainly under the folder C:\Windows /System32. In macOS, they are in the system suitcase, and in Linux system, the system files are located under the folders /boot the kernel itself, /usr is bin system utilities, and /usr/lib/modules kernel device drivers. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video. I would like to thank Wikipedia for providing us this information about system files. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.